Do you have pineapples, mangoes, and ginger at home? If yes, let's make some nice tropical punch to eat with your Sunday rice and peas dinner. You're going to peel and cut your pineapples, peel and cut your look at that. Juicy, juicy mango. The best type of mango to use for this is East Indian. I know if you're really hard, you know, say the common mango them kind of full of string and stuff, but still good to use. Get your ginger cut, wash. I'm gonna use the old time grater and grate it. Who remember when you used to have a grater everything? Nothing ever used to come in a tin like coconut. You have coconut powder now, you have ginger powder, you have all of them well done made things. First time you have to have to grate everything. And I think that's the best way to do things to get all the essence out of it. So now we're gonna blend our pineapple first. We're not gonna combine it with the mango yet. We're gonna blend them separately at first before we combine them. Get a strainer to sieve out the pulp in name? Yeah, out of the pineapple juice after it's blended. You know, you have to have the little leftover trash or whatever. Gonna get that out because we don't want the green in our mouth when we drink. So now we're gonna add some of the pineapple juice to the blender and add the ginger so we can get all the nice ginger essence all blended out. Once again, we're going to strain this to get the pulp out. And you know, say once ginger in anything, you know, so it a shot. You know, so that it tastes good. You should can smell this right now. It smells so good. And next is my favorite part, blending the mangoes. You know, Jamaican mangoes just smell so good. Now we're adding the mango mixture to the pineapple mixture, and we have ourselves some juice. We're gonna stir, get all the the excess pulp out of it because we don't want the grain in our mouth. Now you can have this juice just as it is, all natural. But if you're a sweet tooth like me, you're gonna add a little sugar to give it some taste. I'm not gonna mix in our sugar by the old time people them. We're gonna blend our sugar. Get it all refined. And there you have it, some healthy pineapple mango tropical fruit juice. Enjoy! Until next time, continue to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.